Hi, my name is Patrick and I'm a rising sophomore at Regis High School. So right here is my completed project, the Arduino RC10. So let me show you all of its functions. Okay. Use analog joysticks, forward and backwards. Then you can also use the buttons, turn, forward, also forward and backward. Then I have the servos to control I created some kind of turret to control it going back and forth. And then you can also shoot projectiles, but I don't really want to demo it right now because it'll just shoot it at the camera. And I also added a laser right here. Let's see if I could, hopefully you can see it on my hand. Turn it on and off like this. And then I also, it twitches once in a while it's on and you're not controlling it, because just to let you know you're not wasting battery or anything, so you can turn it off when you're not using it. I also added an ultrasonic sensor for an autonomous mode, so you would hold down, select, and it just means moving forward. Once it gets close to something, it does a 180, 160-ish, and then, yep, so that's the demo right now. So to get up to this step, if you watched my previous videos, you saw that I assembled a chassis, all the problems that I encountered with coding and connecting the remote. So from milestone 2, I did all the modifications that I wanted to do. So I started with the ultrasonic sensor. The autonomous mode was a bit of a problem for me because I actually had no experience with an ultrasonic sensor before. So I found this code where it would display the distance. It uses the formula, it finds the distance and then the amount of time for it to come back. So it uses the amount of time and the speed at which the sound wave is sent back to calculate the distance. And it would display it in my serial monitor, so I would know it would be working. And then I assigned functions greater than 12 centimeters or less than 12 centimeters so that it would do the 170. And then the next thing I did was assemble this turret. If you could see here, it's mounted upon a servo with 2 DC motors which would spin out, shooting these projectiles that would be stored in the tube. So in order to get the projectiles out of the tube, you would move the servo back and forth, and then it'll start coming out and you shoot them all out. And the problem I encountered here was that the servo was really jittery because of the power so whenever I would go forward with the motors controlling the treads, this would start to jitter. So I had to add a capacitor to regulate the flow between the servo and the motor shield so that it wouldn't jitter and overflow with energy. I also added the wooden block just for space, and from this whole main project I learned a lot. Before this project I had no experience with Arduino or any motor shields, so I actually learned how to use each thing, how to assign pins to different functions, to use a servo especially, and ultrasonic as well. So at the end of this project I really enjoyed my experience, and I hope I get to have one more of these experiences at Blue Stem. Thank you.